Okay, I'm back. You'll have to excuse the rather terrible mess I've got going on here. With my back doing what it did, I've attempted to start cleaning things, but, well, had to quit. But, what I've got is, if you look at this closely, let's see if we can get in here close enough. You'll see it's not really flat. I ran a grinder around the outside of it. You can see where somebody else has gone in and tried to weld this up, made a boogered up mess of it. I did a little more welding on the back side, ground that down, then tried to come in here and grind this down. But either way, what I've got is, when this comes up, bump, it's going to fit, but it's not going to fit really tight. Even though it's bowed, I've bent it back a little bit. It's not as bad as it was. So my idea is I've got some steel over here. And I have wrapped this around a piece of pipe. This is smaller than the pipe that I'm using. Smaller than the pipe on the collector. I'll round this around there. That is some tough rod to bend too. Since this is smaller, when it round tight, it got bounce back. And I'm going to cut a piece of this off, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to attempt to fix. As you see, that's not that thick, but it should, excuse me, should be just thick enough. Be able to add extra pressure and push in on that collector to make a tight seal. Okay, I will be back in a minute. Okay, I said I'd be back. And I am. I took this, basically just rolled it on. So now it's like this. Now, even with two hands I'm having a time here. Okay, back again. You can now see how this thing is supposed to look. I did not use any heat, but hey, work smarter. A little bit of leverage goes a long ways. But when that pulls up, see how that fills in the gap? It'll pull that down straight. Now I just need to take it out, set it on a flat piece of steel, and then hammer all the way around this edge to where it's all flat and not flip back up. Okay, and that's all there is to that for now. Okay, I showed you what I was going to do on the exhaust, and I did it. It almost worked. I did have to go down with a pair of vice grips and clamp the two pieces together to roll the flanges together. But no more leaks. I do have some kind of an odd squeak coming from the front end, but that's what she sounds like now. If you can make it past that dang squeaking noise. Maybe I should have put a new water pump on it. Maybe it sounds better from back here. Or belt cord. That's what it sounds like. Pipes don't come all the way back. It'll sound a little bit better then. Smells like it's running a bit rich. My eyes are burning. Standing back here. But I have not tuned it out, set the timing, and adjusted the carb yet. So, that's to be expected a little bit. But I think it sounds pretty good for a bottom line cheap overhaul with used parts. So, like, share, somewhere down there, subscribe, that's down there too. Tell a friend, tell 10. Hey, next time maybe I'll have something you'll be interested in. Thanks for watching. Bye.